1st of August is going down at Kampala Serena Hotel. The very first time that 31st of January, 31st of January here at Kampala Serena Hotel, Mr. Apass live in concert for the very first time. He is an authentic artist. He's a complete artist. He's a producer. He's a writer. He's super talented. When I say talented, actually nobody can say Apass is not talented. So ladies and gentlemen, the man of the day, Mr. Apass. Obugaluba Apass Vanandi. Thank you. Let's hear from him.
Thank you guys for showing up. I'm very, very thankful. I'm very humbled. All the media and my partners, I'm very, very humbled. From I&M, you know, Fenon, these are my guys, through thick and thin. MTN, you know, callback tunes, I'm new on it. So guys, make sure you get there. This is the initial thing. I'm just beginning with the callback tunes, and it's interesting. The last time we met, we were seated on a platform like this, if you remember. Yeah, and we are here, and it's not even December. And I would like to big up my guy, Momo. Thank you so much for the kind words and the support. We really appreciate. My guys at Abja, I cannot wait for the future because it's not just for today. And for all of us here, let this not just be for today. Let's keep pushing, you know. We can always work together with artists. So many artists are out there and they can easily partner with top partners like you guys. And I'm very humbled to be here with top partners. You know, thank you, Next Media, NBS Plus, you know, could never be a minus. It's NBS Plus. And I'd also love to thank the app for mobile app. There's something special coming on that, so we'll wait for that. But guys, first of all, the journey has been crazy. For those who know me, I think I started officially, I think it was 2013 with Buddy Music. Effectively, we got Nesem into studio. I was in one very small room. By the time you saw me do music, I was sleeping in a pantry. Omanyo store bubera kumpi n'ekiyungu oba ky'oyinza oyita kitchen. That's where I was sleeping doing music. I've never been a comfortable artist. I have never been a braggadocious artist. I've always been real, because real is rare and fake is everywhere. And I've always been hardworking, putting in work when it comes to studio, making sure that the studio side is sorted. But right now it's the stage. Stage has to be engaged. I've learned from so many artists in Uganda, whether it's Chameleon, Bobby Wine, Bebe Cool, Misach, Silva Chagulanyi, so many of the artists, and I'm just mentioning but a few. And so many of these artists have given me a chance to also believe that I can be part of this industry, which is the music industry. I'm very humbled to have moved with people like Binny Gunter. Binny Gunter, I saw him start music. I saw him start music with his friend, and we were already doing it. And we were at school. He was at school, I was at school, you know? And we were doing music, recording, and seeing him still doing this. So many people we used to work with in those studios back then are not even singing right now. And you can see the man still standing, and I'm still standing, like Cindy said. But I'll tell you one thing. Music is all about resilience. So many people fall off, as people say, because sometimes they cannot take the pressure. Let me be honest with you. Nze nebo onvuma, nsigala numba. Nebo onjerega, nsigala numba. Anyone who abuses me, I see it as fear. You're scared of me. You're scared of goodness. You've never seen anything like this. So you're trying to put it down. Guys, if you're watching me right now, if anyone is putting you down, just know they are less. If anyone is trying to pull you down, just know they are already down. That's why they are pulling you down. You're up. And keep being up. Struggle to stay up and above. And I've seen that in so many people, whether it's Steve, Fenon, You know, so much pressure comes when you're in a certain position. And there's a lot of pressure for me when it comes to this concert. No fan can give me the pressure I give myself. I like things to be nice. I like things to be great. That's why we have a sick production with Fenon. That's why we have one of the baddest sound engineers. He's going to work with me, it's called Cabo. The man flew in on 24th of December. We are working with him in rehearsals, every rehearsal. Even today, we are having rehearsals in the evening. We started rehearsals in November. We did rehearsals in November, December. We're still doing rehearsals in January. That already shows you that we are not taking people for a joke. When people are coming to experience a concert, you have to give them their money's worth. Someone is paying their money. That means they appreciate what you do. You have to give them your best. And I'm going to leave everything on that stage. I'm not going to be there playing around. I'm going to be there to deliver something beautiful. Ebintu si bya muzannyo. Oba okitegeera omuntu wasasulira tebo million 3 ne mikwano gye 8 ne batuula. Omuntu wasasulira emitwalo 12, 15 twazisaze leero ku 10 only for today up to 6 with MTN, which is very special. That gives so many fans a chance to come. Abadde talina 12 osobola ogula ticket yo ku mitwalo 10. All these people are not making these sacrifices for nothing. They are making the sacrifices for the music, for the brand. And I'm very thankful for every partner. Man, guys, my in media, man, Muliba Akabi, Ochitegera, my fellow artists who have come through. You know, I didn't call everyone. And I mean, there are so many people. And some couldn't make it. So, temolowoza nti lwakuba tutaze simwagala oba ntekawo embeera oba njagala abamusaagala balala. I respect so many artists. If you've been watching, even when artists have shows, I always post them. Some haven't posted me, but it doesn't matter. I am not here to look for friends. I hope you understand that. I'm here to do it for the fans. And the fans are going to enjoy this show. This show is yours. Big up to every single fan that has been pushing the show. I've seen so many fans who post on a daily basis. They even have countdowns. Guys, don't think about your fellow artists who are not supporting you. Think about your fan base. Those are the people who stand in for you. And big up to every artist that showed up today. And majority of these artists that you're seeing here are going to buy tickets or are going to buy tables. That's how you support your fellow artist. Sikulinda show ya galoku yimba. Lwakube judde, olindenge judde, okube simu ejosi ya judde, ndoza kati awo kanzije. Wano totawana. Everything is actually curated and planned out. The whole performances are all curated. Buli kimu kiri organized. Tetugenda kuzanyira mu budde bw'abantu, ate tetugenda zanyira mu feelings zaabwe kujja kuteekawo bintu bya kiyaye. So it's going to be well organized. I would love to thank each and every entertainer that is here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Serena, thank you so much. Obochi together. Sometimes twelabira we tuli. But sijja kwelabira wendi. We had Serena and we are very thankful because Serena is also a partner. It's not just a venue, you know. And for me, those are my words for now, but I know this is not just about coming for an event. This is an experience. It's going to be a beautiful experience. Nze ndiyo mu rehearsals. Nebulwe tukola rehearsals nempulira just bwe zisoundinga. Banange mbasaasira. Cause bigenda banyumira. Omanyinga wobera mu rehearsal ng'onyumirwa. Ng'okimanyi, it's going to be the same feeling. You know, there's something I'm feeling inside me. And I would not love to end this statement without thanking God. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for God. I wouldn't be here. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the fans. This wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for my parents. Tebali wano, batsinga tebanzaala mu Uganda eyakabi, sandibadde wakabi mu Uganda eno. I'm very thankful for Uganda. I'm very thankful for my parents. I'm very thankful for every single fan, and I'm very thankful for everyone that has taken time to come here, watch us, or be part of this. This is a blessing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Obugalo wa Mr. Apass. Thank you.
Conference here fair no. Here Apass live in concert. Njagala okwebaza ba partner bange. I&M, Fenon, our production yafe, our MTN, our MTN callback tunes, our MTN Momo, our Abja, n'abantu baffe, our Next Media, and Muchino mulimu Afro Mobile app, ate mulimu ne NBS Plus. Njagala obebaza bonna basponsor baffe ne Serena yennyini etugenda obeera ne show. Leero the press conference yaffe eya Apass live in concert bwe tuopeningidde ekintu kino okulaga abantu nti ekyo kitandise. Show yaffe ya 31 Jan nga 2025 omwaka guno gwennyini tusigazaayo ennaku ntono ndoze ennaku ziringa 14 shegenda bawano ku Serena. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku MTN kwokka, MTN Momo. Then ate waliwo ne link eri mu Instagram yange oba ku TikTok. Still oba osobola ofuna ticket yo oba okitegeera ng'oli ku mukutu omulala ojja sobola ofuna ticket yo. Naye bannange buli omu ndowooza alina MTN oba ng'ogiina yangowa. Tickets zigenda kubeera ku mitwalo 10 olunaku lwa leero paka saa 12 wondabira wano paka saa 12 ez'olunaku lwa leero. Naye nga tickets ziri ku mitwalo 12 ate ziri ku discount ko zandibadde ku mitwalo 15 naye olwa MTN yazisaze ne zibeera ku mitwalo 12 naye ate leero ziri ate era ku mitwalo 10. So yazikkiriza wansi olw'olunaku luno olw'okuopeninga flow eya media okusobola okujja bamanye ku kintu kyaffe ekya Apass live in concert. Show yaffe egenda oba enkuumuufu, sound agenda bawa tabbu nnyo. Kino ekintu temukirabangako, kiralamu, kigenda ba kisufu, kigenda ba kinyuvu, kigenda ba kiwoomu. Jangu owoomerwe, jangu olye Apass music awooma, sagala kuli.
Webale nnyo Apass bajje bakulye ssebo.
Tebalyanze bajje music.
Okay, let's have the second question. Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Eyinza okubeera copyrighted but bw'obanga oyagala okukola ekintu ng'ekyo tojja kikolera ku stage. Because remember show zino zibeerako abantu nga batudde ba VVIPs nga batudde mu bifo byabwe. Kati ate gwe bw'ojja mu maaso n'otandika okuteekawo embeera oba obalemesa nabo okukola ki okunyumirwa show. So kiba kirungi bw'obanga oli mu distance wona oba otudde oba okitegeera osobola okapturing ekintu ekyo. Ate ekirala sheno njagala ngikwate nange ngiteekeyo ku YouTube yange oba okitegeera abantu bagirabe mu quality oyo yennyini nga gwe mugenda obanga mufuna mu mix board egenda obanga ekuba sound oyo tosobola kifuna ng'ostreaminga oba okitegeera. So kwatayo akantu katono okateeke ku platform yo nendekera nange ntekeyo ekinene because music oyo wange ate nange njagala nkole ki nsobole omufunamu nsobole omuteekayo ku time nange entuufu ennyimba ezo zigendeyo nga ne quality yakabi. Then gwe onoomala oba oyagala busalamu after obuteeke ku TikTok oba ki nakyo kijja ba kirungi nga naye ate olina quality yakabi. Nze kyensinga ofaako ye quality ate bwe tukitta nga tuli ku show si kirungi. Naye nga mwenna mbaagala era njagala mbeere nga musobola okulaba oba capturing moments cause nakyo kiyamba show abantu okugiraba elsewhere. So sigamba nti njagala banyigisa but at the same time njagala mufune engeri gye mukikwatamu bulungi kireme kubeera nga kinyigisa abantu abalala oba okitegeera. I have a big audience oba okitegeera. Audience gye nnina si abali baswiti oba okitegeera. So audience yange ne Nimrod mwali by the Nimrod yomu ku bantu abapostinze concert nti gyeri. That means anyumirwa naye waliwo ebitamunyumira oba okitegeera. Si nti buli luyimba lukwatako olumu oyinza okwata ku mulala nga negwe terukwatako nga nesigama nti oluyimba lubi naye nga teruconnectinga naawe. So si nti buli luyimba obeera ku mukutu nalwo oba okitegeera. Waliwo abantu abaagala Apass oli ayimba ennyimba eziwooma nga wuuyo, nga give me a kiss, nga missing and loving oba okitegeera, Mariana. Waliwo abaagala ezo nkwagala oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza abantu oba okitegeera, abawuliriza oluyimba nga olumba which are very calm. Then ate waliwo abantu abawuliriza dancehall wange chupa ku chupa, touch the road while some of them ezo nga ze baagala oba okitegeera. Then ate waliwo abaagala reggae, waliwo abaagala zuuku wange, zi memories, zi my lover, zi am loving. So weesanga nga abantu b'enjawulo baagala music ow'enjawulo. Kati ojja kwesanga ng'omuntu let's say nga Nimrod for example ng'ayagala nnyo dancehall wange, didadada, chupa ku chupa, guli wano, sidda mu kyalo, bye bimunyumira so nga kyayagala alabe okusinziira nti DJ oba okitegeera. Naye ate ne ziri ziba zinyuma naye oyinza oba nga toconnectinga nazo. So sisobola munenya kyendowooza nti aba vibinga ne bya vibinga nabyo. But ng'era bw'ogenda olaba sheeno eno show twagikoze nga buli omu agenda afuna ekintu kye. Ayagala ziri eziwooma ogenda ziwulira, ayagala raga ogenda muwulira. So tulina segments nga nnya sijja zikugamba naye ziri nnya sijja kubuulira kikiri mu ki, naye zonna zigenda kubeera ne vibe nga ndala nnyo. So tulina program ng'eri very well curated because tukimanyi nti abantu b'enjawulo baagala ennyimba ez'enjawulo. Ate tetusobola kuyimba nnyimba zonna naye tugenda kugezaako okuyimba ennyimba mpitirivu ku stage eyo olw'ensonga nti ennyimba nnyingi abantu ze bazze bawuliriza ate nga bandiyagadde bambi oziraba ku show yaffe esookera ddala. Plan yo tochikola, don't touch from my shoulder. We will open up your head like it is a folder. Nezi fridge zimpala na kuba mikolda. Fe tuba na bikopo buza mekonda. Yo overdose with metaphors. Moses with the miracles. Don't forget the syllables. Step them like a cockroach. Tap flow. Kicking every door in every corridor. Tap 4. No, we only aiming for the pinnacle. Non-stop, no hands up. Gunshot, no ransom. Bullet has a way to make you ugly when you're handsome. Now send on girl, me with it, I am hands-on. This me you will dead, may go run you to the grave. Let me be honest with you. Today, and this is out of respect, there are few artists, one in Uganda, abagatte ebigambo ku level gye mbigattirako. And that's what I meant. Obango yogera ku let's say Bacamillions, these are people I respect, but Bobby, but Big Three, ngawe babayita. None of them can do what I do. True. They cannot. Gemazima because ojja tunulira ekintu kino because omuntu wamuwagira ebbanga ddene tekitegeeza nti yenkananze. Okumuwagira ebbanga ddene naye kubeerawo ebbanga ddene tekijja tegeeza nti yenkana level. Eno level ndala. There is a different level. There is a different flex. When it comes to lyrics that are free from gimmicks, naye kati bw'otunuulira kiri ekyogamba nti omuntu akoze shows nene amasinze bafans bangi ekyo kirala naye bwe twogera ku art, I am the artist. Yeah,
thank you Mr. Apass. Sirabangako answer mpanvu